Hello guys, this is the 17th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about the while loop in Python. So the while loop is used to execute a statement or a bunch of statements one or more times on the basis of a condition, right? So what we're going to do in this tutorial is check out very simple application of the while loop. So we're going to display numbers from 1 to 10 on screen, and we're going to display a message along with the number on 10 different lines, right? So let's just see how we're going to do that. So the first thing that you need to do if you're interested in using the while loop is you need to have a control variable. So I'm going to have a variable in my program that I'm going to call var or var, and I'll give it the value 1, right? Because we want to start printing numbers 1 onwards. On the next line, I'll type in the keyword while. That's WHILE, and within parentheses I'll have a condition for my loop. So I want this loop to execute till the variable var reaches the value 10, right? So I'll have my condition as var less than equal to 10, and then after the closing parentheses I'll type in a colon, and on the next line I'll have a print statement that first displays the message hi, I am, and then after the second double quotation mark I'll have a comma, and then I'll type in var, right? So with the value of var as 1, we are going to see the message hi, I am 1, and then if the value of var changes to 2, if it's going to change because we're going to update it inside the body of while, then we'll see the message hi, I am 2, so on and so forth till 10, right? So on the next line, as I said, we have to update the value of var, and we're going to do this using var equals var plus 1, right? So we want the value to be incremented by 1 in each iteration of the loop, right? Those of you who have programming experience in some other language, for you guys this must be kid stuff, and those of you who are checking the while loop for the first time, this is really simple. It's just that these two statements are going to get executed over and over again till the time this condition evaluates to true, right? So it's as long as this condition evaluates to true, these statements are going to get executed, right? And then we are going to get outside the while block, and we're going to simply do that using the backspace key and getting on the same level as while. I'm going to have a print function here, and I'm not going to display anything using it. I'll just have an empty print function because I want a new line on my output screen, and then I'll have another print function to display the message goodbye, just to show you guys that we are outside the body of while, and this statement, or even this print function, is not going to execute 10 times, it's just going to execute once, right? So I'll save the file, and when I run the program, I see this output: hi, I am 1, hi, I am 2, I'm 3, I'm 4, up till I am 10, and then I see a new line and then the message goodbye, right? So this is so cool, because a lot of times it happens that we have to do something over and over again in a program, and the while loop is a fantastic loop. It's not my favorite loop in Python, but in other languages I use while more than any other loop, right? So another thing that we're going to check out is what happens if you exclude the statement that updates your control variable in a while loops, right? So in that case we run into an infinite loop, and let me just remove the statement, save the file, and execute the program and show you guys what an infinite loop is. So when I run it, I see the message I am 1, and I see it over and over again, and the program is just executing, like it's not stopping, and that is because the value of the control variable is not getting updated. So we're never going to get outside the body of while. And if you want to stop such a program, then you have to press Control and C, and it happens, it's very normal. A lot of times it happens that programmers just forget to update the control variable. It can happen if you're in a hurry or something. So the infinite loop is also useful. There will be situations wherein you want the while statement to keep on running as long as the user doesn't do something, right? So in those events, for instance, if you're doing servlet programming or something, those are higher order concepts, so I'm not going to discuss servlet programming now, but if you have such a thing, or if you want to display the menu again and again, and on the basis of the actions of the user, you want to branch control to other parts of your program, even in those cases you have the while statement, and that doesn't have the control variable being updated. So that's it for now. In the next tutorial we are going to check out something interesting again.